Thank you for that. Very strong guy. Hello. Sorry, music guys. A little more here. Hello, I'm back. It's me, Pavel Rachmaninoff. Again, I've been invited to Bellingham College, Western State University Learning Center to spread the massage for you. You're welcome again for that. You had a nice week, I hope. I had a very nice week. I did a lot of the massage and not much of the freestyle fight battle anymore. Just the massage now. For me, that's what I'm best. And had a very nice week, and I was thinking today about you, all of you. And I was thinking that I know a lot about you. I've been to your class in your home. You've made me dinner, and I've massaged every one of you. But you do not know a lot about me and my life and where I'm from. So I thought tonight I would share that so you can understand the real Pavel. I'm just going to go through my family a little bit and kind of get to know them. This is my father, Pavel Senior, and my mother, Isabella, in our small village. My father has the most premium beard in the village, as you can tell, so I have very high hopes for this. And let me see here. We also have our first massage studio. Pavel Senior's first massage studio place, and it does not look very nice on the outside, but very nice massage on the inside, as you can imagine. Probably you can. And but he makes so much money there that we need a new massage castle place, and so this was our next one because he made so much money. And we all work there. All the siblings work there very much. Not all become great massagists like me, but some try their best. And now let's get into my family. Let me see here. We have my brother. Yes, that's my youngest brother, Pavel Jr., and he is very different than me, but I try to appreciate him. And then we have my next brother. Yep, my half-brother Zacchaeus. You know about him, just my half-see, but he's very nice to me. And then my oldest brother, Vladimir. He is the smart one in the family. He is a boy genius, or man genius now. He's a man. And he did the massage as well, with the mind more. Like this, I would say to him, like, my pectoral muscle is very not good today, and he'll just start to stare really hard and freak me out a little bit. And then I'll say, okay, I feel better, please stop. And, he thinks he's a genius, but he's just kind of creepy. And then there's my youngest brother, Maximilian. And he is like the tie-dye and the mullet, and he lived in the downtown Bellingham and fit in very nice. And which is okay for him. And then my next brother is most premium rock star in the family, Vladislav. This is him playing with the Goo Goo Dolls, really popular band in the American United States. And my next brother is very cool but kind of different. He went to America to be cowboy at a young age, and we don't see eye to eye. He liked to ride the pony and kill the meat for his dinner, which I do not like, but he's pretty good. And then last but not least, I have my only sister, Anastasia, and she's the most premium, beautiful girl in the village. And this is her prom queen photo shoot. She's a very pretty lady. We're very proud of her, the one girl in the family. She'll be a great massagist one day herself, I think. And that is my family. So now you kind of have an idea of what my life is like. Probably typical American family for you. Probably same family as you, mostly. This is my last week here to teach massage. I'll be here next week for my goodbyes and a question and answer autograph session, mostly for you. And that will be it. But thank you for coming to massage sessions. Goodbye.